kokti shalo agartala press club kokti mathumani kuthum ringi kabangma kokti shaka TSF kokti mathumani kuthum mungo TSF ni general secretary hamlo jomatia saka baskang salni simi joto rungnok benai mungo ongkhanai TSF rungnok rogo rungphunai rongai bial nungjani tini bial khobe juda juda junjalongo tuibo khang tisanai obahairongno haponi mokolo kasarani bagino TSF yapri karaksinai ashik simia tabo college rogo admission no kitingi kabangma regirong ungoi tongo o regirongno nonani reging kre khayani obhai sanmukti saka hapani thanibo ashok simia pane sagar soilak da thai rogo thai segi tongle morong tibo koksul samukti saka TSF
amol jamatia nironi TSF general secretary tian logo tongu Mr. Bibas chini sika organizing secretary te chini divisional leaders chung tini ma songan komono nirong logi ma khana kebang ma students rotabo problem of class bahai ke school je kebang ma tahnai 100+ school off khaijak mani amu marjar fanang kan tabo aro je student pore nai ro alka suro thangani inke baksa admission azeng omong kha government ni responsibility borok banai nai jate student ro omte hai jungjal ingena tei jung omono koi nai government no thik na for the development of the education nir omte step na ka haifan kebang ma student rok to problem tagung tong lek nero ngai ne khang ke je school category aro kebang to SB school tongu ha te je class 5 primary amo tongu isu kebang ma ngai man so omorok jate ingya na tei student rok problem o ingya na tei smooth functioning the admission process ngani bagai chung ko ne government na amaro nai gan bagai te chung khana kha kebang ma school teacher krei headmaster krei jeng khanani simi jeng TSF jeng school visit chengnai jeng public nomon appeal khainai nirok sigei tang khang ke omtai issue rong tang khang ke nirok jeng bai contact khai di students rong bo koina nirok ta kiri di nirok nije dukho nirok nije grievances nirok jeng share khai di jeng ready tang nirok ne bagai jeng khorang ti sagani te je mansa jeng nirok no support khayano boni bagai jeng koinai government rock omor omor buni rock lagen into teacher krei income ke niro recruitment process kaji tabok sung sigima ka je kok rock je subject amono tibe teacher crisis sung nagi tangi pro recruitment na ento nadi students rock problem klai to government recruitment langang to sung amono koine te student rock jate future ro ontai ke problem unga ne bagai nirono koine smooth functioning ni bagai government amro wasok thong lai tabok jeng lugui maka thangai salogo je college je ragging man students romo niro kamini phage niro out law niro porogan phage niro takri jeng niro loge tanggo niro je musumani college niro form fill up khai rodi problem ka niro jeng bai tax tongdi jeng niro ma jaman sak jeng help khayana jeng wan khaige jam ta ragging khainai rokno nirona against jeng action nanai te principal college ning school ning thang amani rong responsibility je students rokno smooth admission process ni bagai nirong nai gani bagai gon bai jeng jot authority no koinai jate future om ta hinga na te students rong nirok ta kiridi nirok admission process ka hake na nirok khalai di problem ka ke nirok chung bai contact heman tabok ang sanai je private hostel run khai tongai hai ka hostel run khai tongai especially sunugui mana suicide rate bang tong sini youth especially jung nirong no koinai o je matter no nirong nai gani bagai tani hamale students ro borok pore gani khai hostel of kalang amon nirong responsibility nirong nai dia mono cheri kaham khanai di tani hamale jung recently besung khanaka yang simna digi class 8 ni surai bokotok solai tv man borok to kaisa hostel lo tong ha aro to 20-30 student to nai kaisa room so it is different case amo hostel on responsibility niro nai di sini team visit khai aro jung khanaka but still then niro nai cheri nai di niro ni samang jate students rock tama face khai to amon nirok no busunai bon bai jeng nirok no koine jate future om te hai ingana te nirok no guima khana Japan sagaro tumangoi tong illegal migrants fatarani phagi aro settle khai beika without proper documents jeng government na koine omonatoi nirok strong action nagang thang thangai rogo nirok mukhana jotoni sigo je malanchani bas tabung ni je heritage park aro chin boro kobang ma settle khaika aba government of thai ta khai bulldozer tilangai berei cerai joton eres kai tilang tang or tilang maya jeng government na koine omote hai nirok sring sing tong hangke jeng TSF sring tong la o je issue rong nirok serious nagani thang boni bagai jeng appeal khainai o je matter rong bo daiti solution to bukan bagai media friends on behalf of Tripura Student Federation we give our love and greetings and to all the media friends and even to all the people of the state. Today on behalf of Tripura Student Federation we are having a press conference and I myself Hamalu Jamatia, your TSF General Secretary, and with me today is our Chief Organizing Secretary Mr. Bibas and our divisional leaders. So the reason why we are here is that we have seen in the past what has happened in the state and we are very much aware what is going on, especially as we are working for our students. We know their grievances, what they are facing. We have seen the students of different schools are facing troubles in terms of admission. As recently the government has declared of 100 plus school to be shut down. We appeal the government not only to shut down but also make a solution for the students. We are getting report from many schools and many students. They are facing problems in getting admission and in many issues. We would like to appeal the government of the state and the education minister to look into the matter very thoroughly. It is not only few hundred students, but around the state there are many thousand students. They are facing these issues. We would like to appeal the government not to play with the future of the students. Is this a government wanting the students to be uneducated? Let them give a proper channel. They have shut down the school, okay, but still then the students should be given proper facilities where they can go thoroughly and get admission. We got to know there are many schools. They are lacking of teachers coming from the Raisabari, from the Chakmagat side, Kagraisora, and many more places. We got the report that there is no teacher, no sufficient teacher. There are in some school for 2, 3, 4 months the teachers are not going to the school. We would like to ask the government, what are you all doing? Is it your government is run only in the capital city? There are many children in the villages. They are not getting proper education due to lack of teacher and lack of facilities. Look into this matter. We would like to appeal the government very seriously. Today TSF we decided from tomorrow we will be visiting all the state schools as much as we can. For this reason we would like to appeal the public to get in touch with us. You can contact us and share your problem and difficulties, what you are facing, especially students. If there is no teachers, you can contact me. If there is no proper facilities, you can contact me. We are ready to help you all in any issue. We would like to appeal the government to look into this matter very seriously. government is formed not only for the public or any other issue, but also they should look for the students also. So we like to appeal and request the government to look into the matter very seriously, and I believe our voice will be heard. As I have said, from tomorrow we will be visiting different schools. We would like to appeal the public also to support. We will be traveling and checking the issues of the students and teachers. As we get the report of lack of teachers, not for the students, let them make it very clear and say that we are not in favor of the students. We don't want our students, our children to be educated. Let the government say by themselves. If there is lack of teacher, go for recruitment. There are many unemployed youths. We got to know there are many vacancies. If there is lack of teacher, the government should go for a recruitment. Why are they not going for a recruitment? There are many backlog posts. They are not even filling up that. The public should know this. The government should know what the public are facing and what the students are facing. We appeal the government to look into this matter very seriously, and we TSF will not remain silent. We are ready to help the people and students. Before that, we always aware and appeal the government before taking any step. So this time also we appeal the government to look into this matter very seriously. See, we don't know who is involved the organization, but the individual who is ragging the students, we will take action against it. And we would like to warn the officials and the authorities of the colleges or schools of any institution. It is your duty to look into the issue of students. We have seen what has happened in the past. We would like to warn the students who are ragging the students coming to college or school to get the admission. We directly warn you all. We will be taking a strong step. The Anti-Ragging Act, I believe so everyone is aware of that. Let it be principal or authorities of the school or colleges. You should know what is happening in your college or school premise. We would like to appeal the student not to get panic. You can come and get admission in any college wherever you want. If any issue, try to contact us. We would like to appeal the principal also to look into the matter very seriously. If any principal said again that we are not aware what is happening in the campus, TSF will not remain silent. We will be taking strong action against him or her. That will be our strong message to the authorities and even the students who is getting involved in this ragging. You have come to college to study, so it's a duty. Do good work to the society. Study. Think for your futures and support your family. Why to come in college and get involved in all this ragging thing? So we warn you all. Definitely with TSF will be raising voice against it. I believe everyone is aware what is happening at Panisagar and the Soilingta, the Long Drive Valley side. We have seen the illegal infiltration in the state. There is large number of influx, illegally grabbing the land of the government. TSF is very much aware. We would like to appeal the government. It is their duty, responsibility to see what is happening in the state. At Panisagar, we have seen hundreds of families coming and grabbing the government land. The people and public, you should not forget what has happened in the past. The Malancha Nivas, which is presently now Heritage Park. Many people settle there. But the government directly go and attack the public over there. They destroy their home. There were women, children. They arrest them, harass them. We would like to ask the government, why are you all silent now? We are not against anyone. The people who are settling there, they have no identity. They have no proof. Where are they coming from? Our question is why the government is still silent. We would like to appeal to take very strong against them, very strong step. TSF will definitely be giving time to the government. If not, you all know what TSF is dealing with it. We would like to appeal the government to solve and look into this matter very seriously. As we see, there is large number of infiltration from the bordering countries. We would like to appeal the government to look into this matter very seriously. It is not affecting not only one community, but it is affecting all the community. So we would like to appeal the government to look into this matter very seriously. And if we are not ready to take the step, we will believe that the government of the state is deaf and dumb, and the importance of the people, we will believe that the government is silent and blind, that they are not seeing the issues of the people. See, we will discuss, Amra Dekbo, and TSF is ready for the greater interest of people. We are ready to hear the voice of people. Amra etai bolbo, if the government is not ready to take step, TSF definitely we will be looking into it, what we can do in the future.
পানি সাগর এবং শ্রীলঙ্কা আপনাদের অভিযোগ সরকারি জায়গা দখল হইতে আছে, ঠিক আছে, আপনারা সংশ্লিষ্ট কারোর সঙ্গে কথা বলেছেন?
We have discussed. It is very good. Amra upon report পাচ্ছে যে there are many school, many students they are not getting admission. We understand there is a merger. তবু এখন যারা প্রেজেন্ট স্কুলে আছে, নতুন স্কুলে তো যেতে হবে না, তো অনেকটা স্কুল অ্যাডমিশনটা নিতে আছে। Why? So there is a responsibility of government. We understand the merger due to lack of few students. We understand that, but the government should see what is the student facing also. So they should make a proper system where they can easily get admission and study. We are not against for education, but the system, how they did, we are against it. So the government cannot tell them, government, they have no rights. They have given them, government have given them patta, so they can plant rice, anything, whatever they want, they can build a house also. So government before giving patta, they should have clearly mentioned what they can do or they cannot do. So it is another case. আমি হামলা জামাতিয়া জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি ত্রিপুরা স্টুডেন্ট ফেডারেশন। আমাদের লোক আছে চিফ অর্গানাইজিং সেক্রেটারি মিস্টার বিবাস আর আমাদের ডিভিশনাল লিডার্স। আমরা আজকে এটাই বলতে চাই, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে ফিউ ডেজ এগো যেটা রেগিং হচ্ছে যে এমবিবি কলেজে, আমরা এটাই বলতে চাই অ্যান্ড ক্লিয়ার ওয়ার্নিং এগেনস্ট ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল যারা এই কাজতে ইনভলভ থাকবে আগামী দিনে। টিএসএফ আমরা অ্যাকশন নিবে ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালে, আর যারা হু আর গেটিং অ্যাডমিশন, যারা অ্যাডমিশন প্রসেসটা নিতেছে এখন, আমরা এটাই বলতে চাই, ফিল ফ্রি গেট অ্যাডমিশন ইন এনি কলেজ ওয়ের এভার ইউ ওয়ান্ট। আপনারা যে কলেজ চায় পছন্দ করে এখানে যান, ফ্রিলি অ্যাডমিশনটা নাও। Any issue, try to contact us. TSF, definitely we will be helping you all. And secondly, coming to the point, আমরা দেখতে পারছি যে 100 of schools are getting shut down. Government আমরা এটাই বলতে চাই আপনারা যারা স্টুডেন্ট there are many school student যারা এখন ডিফিকাল্টি মানে আছে আমরা এটাই বলতে চাই after shutting down 160 school government should give proper facilities to the students আমরা এটাও দেখতে পারছি রিপোর্ট আছে আমার কাছে যে বিভিন্ন স্কুলে there is lack of teacher there is no principal আমরা ত্রিপুরা গভর্নমেন্টে এইটা we would like to ask the government why are you all silent why are you taking all these steps that the students are facing আমরা এটাই বলবো from tomorrow TSF we will be visiting different schools আমরা যাব স্কুল ভিজিট করব and we will see what is the issue we would like to appeal to the government to look into the matter very seriously and thirdly আমরা দেখতে পারছি the Panisagar issue illegal migrants যারা সেটেল করছে আমরা এটাই বলতে চাই in the past the Malancha Niwas which is turned into heritage now heritage park আমরা সবাই জানি কি হচ্ছে এখানে government intervene but why in the issue of Panisagar government silent আমরা এটাই বলবো to the government to look into this matter very seriously if not TSF we will not remain silent so we appeal the government আমরা এটাই বলবো এই যে ইস্যুটা নিয়ে seriously to be discussed so there is a reason TSF we are having a press meet today